Hey guys, so we are headed to get Jalyn from college this morning. It's going to be an all-day trip. We're going down and coming back in one day. 6 hours down, 6 hours back. The South or bust. Come along with us.
I can't wait no more. Sick of trying, that's why I'm always smiling.
She is allowed to drive, though, right?
You guys are married?
So we're getting on the road going to get Jalyn, but we needed to rent a car this morning. So we're picking up the car from the airport and then we're going to get on our way. Chris's car is, it needs some repairs, so we had to rent a car. So we are about 10 miles away from Jalyn's school, or less. We're about 10 miles away from Jalyn's school. So this is our first stop for anything. We didn't eat. We was rolling. Came down here, didn't even use the bathroom. This is our first stop. So we've been on a roll, and we've been on a roll. So anyway, gonna get to the school. So we'll take y'all along with us. She ready to go. What you got? Looking like a little mountain bear.
Beautiful.
Hello.
Hi, Jalyn.
Hi.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see you.
What you struggling with? What you got?
Oh, I'm almost done now.
Okay.
You gotta get something else? Okay.
I just got washed.
Yeah.
No people out there.
Ain't no people. People from up north. People from up north is loud.
Yeah.
They like, keep it down, keep it down. That's accurate. All this northern.
I would be going what day?
Huh?
I would be going what day?
What?
I can't hear you.
If you go with me, that means I gotta drive. I'm not trying to drive. That's the thing.
Y'all hear her? She not trying to drive.
And business. I already got checked out by my RA and everything. GT. I got money on my car, which I'm trying to eat.
Oh, snap. For real?
Chick-fil-A. What y'all got?
I was trying to get some pizza in Nashville.
I'm getting some Chick-fil-A. Don't really do it.
Ooh, y'all room look all festive.
Okay, then. That's what's
Look
up.
at y'all. Oh, they
Y'all like it little setup?
were the beds this high last time.
Mine was, Tootie's was down one, but then we broke it, and then now it can
Y'all
stay
broke
high.
Playing on it.
We had tried to push it together so we can have a sleepover for our girls' night.
Oh my goodness. Did y'all have to get the RA or somebody to?
Yeah, he had to come. Y'all have to be putting the ring light in here because it's dark in here. Don't ever get lighter, too much lighter than this.
Oh, you use the ring light as a light.
Yes. Especially when I'm trying to do like my makeup in here. And stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need a shot.
Kept it clean. Looks good.
Yeah, it does stay clean, honestly.
Who was that take one trip?
So all
So,
this is
you want me to
going
use this
home,
or no?
plus what's in her car.
If you don't need it,
Plus the stuff on the bed.
This.
you got a garbage bag?
No. They're not big. I mean, I do, but those not on hangers.
Just fold them up and put them in the garbage, or just put them in.
That's what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
just go ahead and And on the way back, we'll just use it on the home.
Yeah, Mama was trying to get some Slim and Huskies on the way back in Nashville.
If she don't use it, she lose it.
Right, I understand. I understand. So Jalyn did her headboard herself. Cute, cute, cute. And you finished your collage. Oh, that's cute. Nice. Oh Lord, there's Tootie's headboard over there. She'll finish later. She'll finish later.
you doing?
Take it down and put it in the car.
All right.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Good, how are you? So we're just waiting till Jalyn gets back with the dolly. She went down to see if she can use the dolly to put these things on so we can take down and put in the rental car. And she already has her stuff in her car.
Grab some stuff right there.
Okay, so you think girlfriend was coming home for the year. So there's some stuff. We still got to put a few more things in here. And then she has stuff in her trunk already. Compact. She actually wrote Javember on the calendar. So bye-bye dorm room. Going home for a month. Isaiah's ready to go. Jalyn's ready to go. So this is their bathroom. She got a ring light in here because it's a... Okay! Okay. She got a ring light in here because it's dark and they only have these 2 lights up here. And she said, oh, 3 lights. And she said it's dark in here. So she put a ring light in here for extra light. This is their little common area, their little kitchenette. Got a full-size fridge. Microwave. Real nice table.
Must be riding with me.
You thought Isaiah was riding? No. Thank you, mister. Hi.
It's all closed.
Ooh. What? Subway is closed.
They closed the cafeteria. We only
So we were trying to eat at Subway on campus, but it's closed. So we're going to have to try to find somewhere else. Looks like it might be Slim and Huskies in Nashville.
You know, get something to eat and keep on pushing.
Daddy said no. That's too far away. I am hungry now, though. Look who's driving, leaving out.
I know. Then turn my music down for that announcement.
I did. Because this is a rare occasion.
Really rare.
You see the stadium in the back there. Oh, the Bulldog Stadium. But yeah, so she didn't think she was driving at first.
Oh, we still got to stop at Burger King. It ain't nothing to make a switch.
Because Isaiah wanted to ride home with her. And she said, that mean I gotta drive. I could have had quality time with your daddy.
Okay, you can still get in the car with him.
I can. I want to ride with you. We're gonna have girl time. Oh. That wasn't the reaction I was looking for.
Okay, say it again.
We can have girl time. That's so fake. And rude. You driving like these Alabama folk.
I know.
Driving like these Southern folk down here. A little bit. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Is Daddy blowing at us? So my mister was trying to get back on the road right now. He wanted to grab something to eat and eat while we're driving. We drove all the way down here, down south, and we gonna eat on the road? No, sir. We gonna eat in the restaurant, and then we're gonna jump back on the road. Help me, Holy Ghost, I tell you. Men folk trying to get from point A to point B. Yeah, there him is. So Jalyn almost hit me.
Mama, you know you're not supposed to run just behind or in front of
I
cars
was
like
running
that.
behind the car. I thought she was pulling forward.
No, I was trying to fix myself.
And she pulled back. And she almost got me.
That's as fast as I see you move. I know you that quick.
Yeah, mama can move when I have to.
Yeah, when it's time to eat, it'll save your life.
That's wrong.
I've got to get gas.
So we had to stop and get gas and use the bathroom.
me.
Isaiah. Okay. So big sister has gotten little brother to pump her gas for her. At the University of Louisville, just taking a quick peek around, even though it's dark, because we've never come over this way. We're at Steak and Shake. We're over the bridge, over the river from home, maybe about 20 minutes out. Jalyn saw Steak and Shake. All the steak and shakes in our area are closed in our city and the city nearest to us. So Kentucky is the closest Steak and Shake that's open. So we are staying on a Steak and Shake. I don't think because she's hungry, just because she wants Steak and Shake. So,
Dang.
Is it? Are you hungry?
Yes.
You are. We just had Burger King. Well,
Mama,
I guess that was
at like
yeah, that was about
12,
6
1
hours
o'clock.
ago. That's true. That's true. Okay, I won't talk about you then.
You just love to talk about me. That's all that is.
So while I'm talking about her, I did get some chicken fingers and some fries.
Right.
I'm so ready to get home. Oh, Lord. This bun has seen better days. Lord have mercy. I'm ready for... Anyway. So I have chicken strips and fries, the barbecue sauce, and they gave us this little cheese on the side. I don't know why. Jalyn has her burger and fries. Isaiah got something. Chris didn't want anything. So, what Daddy doing? So we're going to get onto the airport and turn in the rental car and get my car. So we just left Enterprise and picked up my car, dropped off the rental, and of course Isaiah wanted to ride with his sister, so I'm with Mister.